one's heavier. Feels like a crank too.
I'm guessing it's a crank.
Got a lot of heavy weight that's rolling around here. Oh, what a shocker.
Looky there.
Appears to be a crank in there.
Yeah. And pistons.
There's your pistons. Good, you can scrape and see what size they are. I bet you they come out of the hole right there.
Sure does. Looks like it says 02. Is that the thing?
I'm assuming that's a 02.
Yeah.
Must be 20.
Alright.
Ooh, bearings.
Fancy.
Ooh. Big fix for your clutch.
Ooh.
Look at that. I don't like those, but goes with it. Cam. H. Justin. Hard to read it. Yeah, it tastes like crap. H.
Alright.
Stock.
Put that over in that box there.
Why? You want a stock crappy cam?
Yeah. Is it crappy? And when I say crappy, I don't mean,
No, it's
yeah, they were
usable.
all crappy.
It's a crappy Harley grind, but it's usable. It's got miles on it, but it's still usable.
Oh, perfect.
It's got another good 10,000 more miles in there.
Alright.
You want that in that bag? Does it fit this bag? No. Maybe.
Look at that.
It doesn't fit a 72 though,
Why not?
because it's a late cam. There's a ring around it.
So?
So you gotta have the late gear set, 78 lighter.
Ah,
Doesn't
kill
fit
me.
there though.
Alright, fine.
You have to change the gear out if you want to fit an early bag.
Yeah, never mind.
So where's your pinion gear at?
Oh, I have no idea.
You have to change your pinion gear and breather. The three components have to match.
Okay, well, never mind.
Cam gear, pinion gear, breather gear. All have to match, and it bolts in.
Alright.
You can't mix them.
Damn it.
So you only got one gear, you're okay, because you still need two more gears. So far this is all 80 inch. Here, come on.
There you go.
There's almost no rust on anything. Tight too.
Wow.
Yeah. Feels good. Slide good. Yeah. Feels good. Pretty tight.
Really?
Your pinion looks good. Look on the shaft here. You look for any pitting or rust. See a little pitsy right there? A little mark.
Oh, yeah.
It's the only mark on the whole thing, but that's all it takes to be bad. A little wavy, but not too bad. You can feel it. Fingers. So I don't like the little pitsy there, but it's probably got a 10,000 in that thing pretty easy. You got one Timken bearing. And you got the spacer too. There you go. Bearing looks like new.
Alright.
The crank's pretty good, except for the shaft's got some wear on it. You know, the shaft being here is the only thing that's got any wear on it. Everything else is pretty good.
Fancy.
Check your pin bushings out. So you grab out your pin bushing checking tool. Nice and tight. Yep. Don't feel any clearance there at all. This one here, you barely got anything in it. They're good.
Nice.
You always got to have your checking tools lying around. So you got shovelhead, you got Evo.
Ooh.
The iron hit the side of the shovel. Good crank. You got the main bearings right here. You're just missing the case. Oh, there's a case right there.
There is.
So you want an 80-inch motor?
Well, I've got a crank over here somewhere. Underneath all that crap.
So it's a 78 crank. That doesn't make it 80 though. You have to measure the center line. So it looks like it's a pretty big gap on that. So 2 1/8 inches center to center is an 80.
Okay.
2 inches is a 74. So you have to take your measuring stick and you go like that. And it appears that when you're in the center there, 2 inches is not centered, see? See, that's longer than 2 inches?
Yep.
So that makes it 2 1/8. So if you go to the 1/8 mark, it should be right in the center of the 1/8. Should be right there. So 2 1/8 makes it
80
inch.
Alright.
And if you ran that number right, they would tell you too, but I don't remember the number. I just measure them. So we got 80-inch cylinders, 80-inch crank, 80-inch pistons. You can make a motor out of that.
Yeah.
Instead of using a junk ass, wherever they went, flywheels. Somewhere around here, a set of flywheels are yours. 74 junk.
Yeah.
Turn this thing into a hot rod. 80 inches. Got most of a motor here.
Yeah.
Got your clutch, got the motor.
I know.
What's missing?
The heads, which I have.
The other box.
Oh. You want me to shut this down?